don't have to tase nobody or do nothing. So my homegirl told me about this trip. Well, okay, so the plan initially, I've gotten King and Yaya to plan in between time, because we always have about an hour before we get blessed to kill. So sometimes we go to the park, and I wanted to go and feed the ducks, because we had mad bread from this weekend, like left over from cooking that food and stuff on the grill. And not too far ahead of me, y'all, too. And be careful. I don't want nobody tripping or nothing. See how close the sidewalk is to the street. So, so now we, the pond I had in mind, it's on private property. I never noticed the sign, so we can't go there. So I was like, let me look at this trail. So we over here now, and we found a dog park too. So we're gonna take portions of this dog park sometime next week, maybe later this week or something. I don't know, whatever. But so we're walking now on this Monday afternoon. It's nice.
No, I didn't.
My neck still hurt, but it's feeling a little better. I'm gonna say
it's feeling better.
Yeah, it's not getting worse, so that's the good thing.
That's the good thing.
Yeah.
When I tied my shoe, this thing was untied just a few minutes ago.
I guess you did it off of instinct real quick.
I didn't do it though. I haven't touched my shoes all day. I'm gonna walk in the shade. Like.
Don't walk under them trees.
Oh, I see a bird over your head.
They're too low for you to walk under anyway. You tall.
See? Mama.
But yeah. Look at this girl.
Look.
Styling and profiling.
Mama.
Mm-hmm. Kitty girl.
Is it weird that I walk on my tippy toes everywhere I walk?
You don't really. It may feel like it to you.
And Mama,
people that walk on their toes, they walk like
fashion model, Mama. You going like this, you, Mama. Look, this you. This is how you walking.
That's how I'm walking, girl. That's how I'm walking, girl.
Yeah. Mama, look at your son.
Come on, man.
Bye. We leaving you. We gonna
Come
go
on,
to
young
that
man.
park without you. Bye. Bye.
I'm gonna let him wear regular clothes tomorrow. Come on.
Hey.
You, girl, what are you looking at my head? You got on regular clothes right now. No uniform. Chill. What uniform do you have on?
These. Because they said today was Jean Day.
Oh yeah, today is Jean Day.
Oh my God.
Oh gosh. Golly. R.I.P.
R.I.P. little squirrel.
Keep going, man. I gotta get away from that stuff. That's nasty.
There's a fly in its mouth.
I know. I'm sitting there looking at it.
That just creeped me out
That's
looking at it.
Nasty.
It's nasty.
Nasty.
You remember the Death World that we seen with all these guts out in his belly?
Yeah, man. That was
That's
rough.
nasty. Mama, the dead snake.
Yeah.
Mama, there was a video of this dude. He was spray painting the white lines onto the road, and there was a squirrel print, literally a full squirrel print on where he was spraying, and he sprayed on top of the squirrel.
Oh my gosh.
And then and now the squirrel is gone. And
And the pattern's still there.
yes. And they still ain't repainted.
My girl, my sister's flabbergasted.
What does that mean? You're a fifth grade, you know. I know what it means. Just kidding.
Watch out for all that dirt.
Yeah, I see. Nobody told me the road would be easy.
See a little brown in your hair, a little browning, girl.
Me?
Getting a little browning like mine.
Are you still recording? Hi.
King got his hair out. Hey.
Wait, stop. I want to show them how to do the flies.
Okay, do it. All right, gotcha. All right, wait, not too far ahead of me now.
Sorry, Mom.
It's all good.
That's fine. Dang, Mom.
Dang you, girl. You tried to clip me.
What you say?
What you say?
I see a creature. Oh, I think it was
All right, run across. So we doing white people stuff. I'm walking on this pathway by myself. In the
Lady,
nature.
come on.
But it's beautiful. Don't you dare.
I wasn't gonna jump off.
Come on, baby Tarzan.
I
I ain't called you that in a long time, baby Tarzan. He jumping off stuff.
Yep.
Yep, nothing.
Yep.
Yep, yep.
Ah, bird.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, what's that? A pathway into the room.
Oh, if there's okay, so I see a bridge up here.
Yes. Then there must be ducks.
It must be some water over it,
See,
right?
I told you we needed to bring that.
All right, so let's look, and we'll see, and we'll know for future references.
We could sit on this bench. Look.
Hmm.
You ain't no Spider-Man. I hurt my foot. See?
Be careful.
Now it's gone. Mama, I can see my own eye reflection inside of the glasses.
Oh, do you?
I wanna see. Aww. You really thought I was trying to run? I was trying to stomp on the grass. Oh, Mama, I found a heart leaf. See?
Oh, yeah.
A heart leaf?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them.
Stop for a spider or something dropping your head.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a spider in
Come
your hair.
on, we passed it. We passed
There's a
it.
spider in your hair actually already. No, there isn't.
Yeah, please don't speak that.
I don't like spiders. Nobody
I don't either, girl.
Nobody likes spiders. What phobia does Dad have again? Spider phobia.
I don't know about no phobia.
Huh?
I don't know about no phobia.
Is it arachnophobia?
What are you talking about?
Arachnids. It's when you're scared of arachnids, like spiders.
Mm.
Insects? Are bees an arachnid? No.
I'm so mad. Nobody on this path, honey. Mm-mm.
There's two
I
paths.
gotta get me a fanny pack because I got that thing on me.
Mama, it's gonna seem like
I got
you trying.
something, but I need.
Mama, it seems like you trying to stay here.
I can't. But I need something.
Let go.
Hmm.
There's water.
It's a little water. Hi. Hi. All right, y'all. What y'all want to cross this and then turn around?
No.
Yes, we have to. Because of the time. We got to get blessed. Yeah, ain't no ducks in that water. This just a little creek.
It's a brook.
A brook? Okay. Okay, excuse me.
Creeks
Nah,
are much
you ain't
bigger.
gotta tell me sorry. Y'all teaching me stuff. You know what I'm
Creeks
saying?
are much bigger.
I see spider webs all on this. You ain't even looking. Such a boy. I can't be mad at it, I guess.
No, because I am a boy.
I know.
Well, what is that? You can hear the water. There's something in the water.
Look, as long as it ain't nobody. What you say?
It was like long and going this way. It was like long and going this way. Back your head away from it, boy.
You know?
Ew. Ow.
Sorry. Come on, I know mosquitoes. I know for one thing, mosquitoes all over that junk.
I heard one of y'all little poops.
You tooted, King?
No. It went.
It's all good if you toot,
well.
man.
I did.
Everybody toots sometimes.
What is this place anyway?
Huh?
I think it's a golf course. Is it a dog park or something?
It's just a big field. Looks like probably people could probably come here and rent I don't know, rent it, do a cookout, play kickball.
This looks like a giant park that has no swings or no playground.
I don't know what it is.
Looks like somewhere where you can play a whole bunch of hide and seek.
You can run in it if you want to.
For real?
I don't see why not. Well, they just cut it, but I guess, I mean, that's why they cut it. To the tree and back. Boy got tired. Can't even see him. He looks so tiny. All out the frame. Found me a nice old piece of shade, honey. Are they racing back? They ass ain't even gonna run all the way back. They gotta get their stamina and training back up. They ain't been in no sports. They had no training or conditioning. Okay. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Almost here. Gotta keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Ah, that was, come on, y'all was right here. Y'all could have ran off the grass. How y'all doing? That was fun?
Yeah.
Y'all like this park?
Yeah.
I'm glad we stumbled upon this little park. It is so cute. It's nice here. It's so beautiful. Nice little hidden gem. And it's like, so they take care of it. There's people here, they just freshly cut the grass. There's people over there working.
Let's go.
The dog park is like right across. This is cute.
I see a spider nest.
Do you?
Yeah.
What's the nest look like?
I come back, I had a baby.